Hey everyone, is your Looker Studio report loading slowly? In this video, I'll show you how to improve Looker Studio performance step by step. First, review your data sources. Large datasets can slow down reports, so remove unnecessary data and only use the fields you actually need. Next, reduce the number of charts and visual elements on your dashboard. I mean, too many charts can increase loading time and make reports harder to use. You can also optimize your data sources by using filtered datasets, summarized data, or faster connections whenever possible. Another helpful step is limiting complex calculations and unnecessary calculated fields. Simple formulas usually help reports load faster. Make sure your charts use the correct date ranges and filters. So, avoiding large default date ranges can reduce the amount of data Looker Studio needs to process. You should also avoid using too many blended data sources at once, because complex blends can slow down report performance. Finally, test your dashboard regularly and remove anything that does not provide useful information. And that's how you improve Looker Studio performance. By optimizing your data, charts, and settings, you can create faster and more responsive dashboards. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.